Madco Fabs time, Madco Fabs time. Are you all getting a look at the damn disaster that is my garage? All right, so this is what's going on. I bought 2 new toolboxes for work. I got a good deal on them on Craigslist. Shout out, buddy, thank you. That was the one I had at work. For work, I do exhaust and stuff, so not really mechanic work, but more exhaust and fab work for stuff. Regardless, I had that at my work, and that was just a little too small. I needed just a little bit more space. So what I did is brought that one home, bought same box, but a double stack for cheaper than what I could buy one of those. Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to my boss for helping me find that guy. I don't have Facebook. So, regardless, or anyway, or however you want to say those words, check it out. This is what happened. I was bringing that box home. I brought it home. I put it over there. And then these red things I put next to it. And I'm like, I hate it. It sucks. I don't like the way it looks. It could look way better in here. So then I got the wife was at work. She worked late that night. The kids were already in bed. I got to looking around and I'm like, I have just totally outgrown the graffiti on the walls. It's just not me anymore. I'm just, getting older, getting wiser. And I was like, well, hell, it's time to remodel the garage. So probably not going to have a video this week. We're probably going to have to watch me remodel the garage. But what I'm getting at, y'all, is in the next couple days, this place is going to transform. Just painting it in here made it so much brighter. Oh, it's awesome in here. And then look, we took down that loft that went across on this side. I took that off, left that side because that holds the AC. I put a window unit and built it into the wall. I don't know if you can see that right there. To cool the garage because it just gets too damn hot in here. And I don't like having the door open all the time. And sometimes I do work until 1 or 2 in the morning. But that is what we're doing. That's where we're at. And that is what's going on. So, I'm sorry that I didn't jump in and show everybody before we started painting. But me and my wife both, we're like pit bulls, man. You just send us in a direction and we just take the hell off and go after it, if you know what I'm saying. So, I think me and Trin, my daughter, are gonna start painting. We only got one more coat to do on everything that's already white. And then that's done. And then all we have to do is above that door. And then I can start building the countertops. We're gonna do a 2-inch bar down this side, 2-inch, step out to 3 foot, hold on a minute. 2 foot, 2 foot, step out to 3 foot for the heater. Heater will be on casters so you can slide it out, slide it back in. Stop at the freezer, and then 2 foot all the way down this side. And this side will have like my metal chop saw, my drill press, my vise, all that. My normal storage containers that are right there, they'll be either under it or on top of this side. My goal is to have everything off the floor except for like maybe the refrigerator and the freezer. But we want everything off the floor, everything cleaned up. And then my goal is to have this done by Tuesday so that way next week I can get back to doing this. So, I guess you guys get to see some time lapses and some shit. This place is a damn disaster. I mean, there's shit everywhere. I built a waterfall. I built a waterfall when I worked for American Pool, and I did it out of fiberglass, and that's what all that white dust is. I mean, it is literally thick as like a 1/4 inch on every freaking thing. So that needed to be cleaned anyway. But enough yip and yap from me. Let's get choring. Hey, what are we doing?
Building a workbench. Together.
We're together. Do you want out here too? Come on now. All right, so like we were talking about, I'm gonna hold you down here so you can't see my baldness.
So I'm making the ginger snap cookie dough again. Make sure
Is that funny? Anyway, the half and half's over there by the heater. So we got some stuff made here. I don't want to really show what we've made because it's kind of a surprise. You know, surprise! So, are you laughing again? I didn't think so. Hey. But what we got here is some lower style benches. That's what that is. We're on top of the top ones now. I don't know about you people out there, but my wife's the shit. So she actually runs saw, tape measure, and helps build. And has been helping me build for years. Haven't you? Years. She actually even welds. I taught her that. You guys, this mess out here is just getting worse and worse and worse. But the good news is we found out yesterday that she is off work. We found out today that she's off work for tomorrow. We found out she's off work tomorrow. So, I mean, hell or high water, we should have a lot of this shit cleaned up and done. Just wanted to go ahead and give a little upsy-datesy. Walls are finished. Trin's in the house watching TV. I'm gonna go find my hat. My head's getting cold. I ain't got no fur up there. So, stop back in here in a little bit. Shoot me! Oh, yeah! Heater kicked on. A little uppy-datey. Check it out. You can see we're moving along. Looks good, doesn't it? Oh, the disaster that is my shop. But we'll be done shortly. Madco fan. Oh, the mess just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But look at this. Ta-da! Pretty cool, huh? Really cleans it up in here. Like, just awesome. So, now we're on to the bottom shelf. Look over here. We're doing that here. And then we're gonna have a top. And then that's where, are you copying me with my hands? That's where the drill press, the vise, chop saw, metal chop saw is gonna go. Just finally doing this garage like we should have done from the beginning and never did. So 2 years later and we're finally doing work. And that's gonna be the puppy's corner. That's where they go to sleep. But this is why I'm not having a video come out this week, because busy. So I gotta get back to Chorin, because then she'll tell me she did it all. Okay, so we're on like, what is it today? Day 3? Day 3 or 4? It's like day 3. We're on day 3. Look at this. Countertops are done, or sorry, counter thingies are up. Brain's not working. Check it out though.
Where would the screws be?
And those milk crates.
No.
Okay. Well, that's those short screws we're gonna use. Anyway, nice 45 supporting all the weight. Everything's tied to the studs on the walls. Nice and clean. Now we're getting ready to do countertops. And it is gonna look sick. Just sick in here when we get done. then all this shit can be reorganized, put away, cleaned up, and nice and pretty. So, Madco Fabs, I'll be back in a minute or two. We're getting there. Look at this. I got it kind of hidden so you can't see it all. We're getting there. And then you can also see the Tacoma outside for the first time. But we are getting there. This garage looks so much better. I don't know, man. The graffiti just had to go. Just grew out of it, I guess. But that's the update. Now I'm gonna get back to choring because I got a little bit more to do. I'd say another hour or so I'll have it all done. Then we can organize, clean up, do a final cap to this video, and y'all get to see this. Perfect. So, we're done. Still have some small stuff to do, like organize and put things where they go. Like that cart and that chair. I sold the cart and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the chair. I don't really want to get rid of it because those chairs are comfy. They're old library chairs, or library, however you say library, the place where books are and you read. Even if those are still around, I don't even know. I can't say it. Library, whatever. So, what do you think, Wyatt?
It's done. We have some used things.
What do you think? Is there more space?
A lot.
A lot more space. So much more room for activities in here now, and it's so much brighter in here. I don't know. Like I said, y'all, I think the spray paint just kind of outgrew that stage. So there's little things like that's got to go somewhere. All that's got to go. That's a garage sale box. Those have got to go somewhere. No, that's not a dick pump. It's a fish tank cleaning tool. But every time I see it, I think Austin Powers. You know what I'm talking about. Honestly, baby, it's not mine. Some little stuff right here. Just, you know, some general organization and figuring out what I want to do with things and how I want to do it. And I just pulled the truck in because it needed to come in from the driveway so we have space. But there's plenty of room to move around and do what I need to do over there. The fab table, motorcycle lift, fab table. That can be wheeled around and moved around wherever we want it and whatever we need to do with it. So, if you ask me, I'd say this made a huge improvement and helped out a lot. Some little stuff still to do, but Madco Fabs is moving forward and looking clean and looking better. Yeah, just wanted to kind of give everybody an insight of what we were doing and what was going on. So this is where we're at. This is what we're doing. Remember, there ain't nothing to it but to do it and do it right the first damn time. Every time. I'm out. Bye.
I'm out too.